promised once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date.
Assalamualaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to crochet these beautiful scrunchies. This tutorial is perfect for beginners as it is easy and super fast. Let's get started. For this tutorial you will need a 3 mm hook and a 3-ply yarn and a rubber band. Let's consider it as a magic ring or a magic circle, this rubber band, and just attach the yarn and make a stitch. Just grab the end that is attached with the ball and grab the rubber band like this as I do, and also a tail, and make a chain 1. Now insert the hook into the circle, pull up the loop. You have through 2 loops on the hook and pull through 2. Make a single crochet. Now again insert the hook into the circle and pull up the loop and make a single crochet. And cover the whole band with the single crochet until you reach at this side. Continue the same stitch around the rubber band till you reach at this point. Okay, I will meet you at this point. Now I have just reached the end. Now make a slip stitch into the first and chain 3. Make the work double crochets into the same from where the chain 3 emerges, and one more double crochet into the same space. Count chain 3 as a one double crochet. Now make double crochet three double crochet into the same space. In each chain. 1, 2 and 3. into the same space. Continue the same pattern until you reach at the end of the round. Okay, now do the same until you reach the end of the round. 3 double crochet in each stitch. Okay, I will meet you at this point. Now I have just completed 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Now slip stitch into the chain 3 and again make chain 3. In the second round we will work 1 double crochet into the each stitch. This will be our final round and we are done with our scrunchie. Work 1 double crochet in on the top of every double crochet. This is very simple and easy tutorial, mainly for the beginners. You can take a start from making scrunchies. Now work double crochet on the top of every double crochet and complete the round by making slip stitch. Okay, I will meet you at the end of this round. Our round will be end at chain 3. Now just simply make a slip stitch and you are done. Now I will meet you at this point. Now I have reached at the end of the round. Now make a slip stitch to join the round and cut the yarn. And hide the tails using a weaving needle or by the crochet hook, as I do. It's really up to you. I normally hide tails using crochet hook. Now you are done. In this scrunchie, typically there are fewer crochet stitches, but in the second one I added more. It's up to you if you want to add more waves by crocheting more stitches. In the foundation row you can add fewer stitches if you want fewer waves. Now this is my final result.